this tutorial, we are going to go over publishing your virtual classroom so that it always shows up in presentation mode, and we can also link it to our Google Classroom. So before you publish your virtual classroom, you want to make sure that all of your details are finalized and all of your links are proper and appropriate. This way you don't have to change anything if you're missing something. So all we're going to do is go to File and then hit Publish to the Web. This way, it just looks a little bit more finalized and we don't have to direct our students to hit Present mode, and it's just less work for everyone else to do. So once we hit Publish to the Web, we'll see we have these different options here. Now, we only have one slide in our presentation, but if we had a few, we would select how much time in between slides before it advances, and then if we want to have it open as soon as the player loads, and if we want it to restart. So I'm just going to go ahead and give my students the maximum amount of time. I'm going to have it start as soon as they open it up, and I'm going to have it restart. It'll always be on a continual loop, but again, since I only have one slide, it doesn't really matter right now. So once I'm ready to go, I'm going to hit Publish. It's going to ask me if I'm sure, and I'm going to say okay. And now I have a shareable link. So I can press Control-C, and then I will go into my Google Classroom by going into my waffle, and I'm going to select my classroom. And I'm going to post it as material. So I'm going to go into my ELA 6 through 8 class, and I'm going to post my material. Okay. I'm going to title this Virtual Classroom Walkthrough because this is the first time my students are seeing it. In your description box, you might want to have a detailed description because we're in a virtual learning environment, but for our tutorial purposes, I'm just going to skip that. And I'm going to go to Add, and I'm going to select Link. And I'm going to paste my link into my search bar. Okay, so now we see the virtual classroom opens up, and I'm going to post it. Okay, and now when I click on my virtual classroom, you can see that it opens up in a presentation. So we have the full screen and we have everything available. So again, I can click on any of my links and it will take me to the appropriate portal. And there you have it. So I like this. It makes it more finalized and it just makes it for a nice polished look. So hope this helps. Enjoy.